Hi, this is Ingrid from Quiltessential Co, and we're working on our May block of the month. So, looks really pretty, looks complicated. Actually, it's quite easy. So we're going to go away and cut. So now we're going to be cutting out A, long strip, B, long strip. You could stack these together if you wish. C, a square, D, little squares, E, big squares, and F, little squares. And now we're going to sew our pieces. So for the first part of this, you want to stack your A and B right sides up. So I have them stacked and they're right sides up. Put them down on your mat, and taking your perfect rectangle ruler, I like to first of all just give a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is a dull blade. I was warned, I was told. I need to cut this straight off the side. And I'm going to cut straight up, and I'm going to be cutting off the little nubbin at the top here and slide it up, because while I've got it here I may as well, and I'm going to cut the little corner off here too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 4 pieces like this, and if you need that fudge factor, just leave a little extra, up to you. But just so that I can do it quickly so you know what I'm doing, I'll go back and cut all those little nubbins off after. So I'm going to cut 4 sets. And once I've cut the 4 sets, and this is very important, I am going to flip these fabrics so that they are now wrong sides up. And I'm going to continue to cut another 4 sets that are wrong side up. And I just want to show you why. It's because when we sew these are going to be sewn like this, but the other ones are going to be sewn like this. So we want 2 going this way, 2 going this way. So you cut 4 right side up, flip your fabric to the wrong side, and cut another 4 the other way. And then you sew, and I'll meet you right back here. So you've sewn together your A's and your B's, and you've got one going in one direction, one going in the other. Press the way I've showed you, sew them down the center, press this open, and trim the size that I told you in your diagram. And you're going to be making 4 units like this, and you can see that they will fit in these 4 sections right here. Now we're going to do our center, and this time we're using our folded corner clipper. So place your 4 squares here. If you don't have the ruler, you have to mark the diagonal, sew on the line, trim behind, etc. But if you have the ruler, it's super simple. Just put it right on the edge, cut away your piece, sew on the corner, and do the same on all 4 of those so that you get your center block, and your center is going to look like this. And now we're doing our 4 corners. Same thing, either mark the diagonal and sew across, or quickly put your folded corner clipper ruler on there, cut across, sew, flip, press the way that I've told you to, and voila, here is your beautiful star block. We have some beautiful new fabric in the store. I will show you some of that later. I'm going to just go downstairs and take a little clip for you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying your block of the month. We're also doing a summer mystery. If you would like to join us, please call in, and that's a fun thing to do. The deadline isn't till September, and if you want to have some fun, we'll email you the instructions every few weeks, and you can sew along with us. So if you found this video useful, please leave us a like and click subscribe for future content. And this has been Ingrid from Quiltessential Co. And thanks for sewing with me today. We'll see you soon.